This is Dan the Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2014 Bowman Sterling football. It's a 2-box break. This is an eBay break. I'm going to read off the eBay usernames with the team names for your lineup tonight, guys. I got AR Kremlin's got the Titans and Redskins. Thumb 91's got the Buccaneers, Jaguars, and Vikings. Dodge Jostam with the Texans, Dolphins, Ravens, and Steelers. Jimmy J Pan 64 has got the Lions, Cardinals, Falcons, Cowboys, and Jets. Deanne Linda with the Seahawks. Frank Yules 99 with the 49ers. Island Fan 62 with the Chargers. Drax 1212 with the Eagles. Orioles 82-19's got the Raiders. Platypus 420 with the Giants. Alaska Maniac 907 with the Saints. Yakko NM with the Patriots. Josh H 1975 got the Chiefs. Buckblaster 2000 with the Colts. 01 GRN VAYL VR's got the Packers and the Broncos. Tuha 4 with the Browns. Tallyho 69 with the Bengals. Cisco 0240's got the Bears. Tanner B 2120 with the Panthers. And Brevitska 77 with the Bills. That's your lineup, guys. Good luck, everybody. Let's get to it. 2 sealed boxes, guys. These are out of a fresh case. These are both sealed. Sealed boxes, guys. All right, good luck, everyone. This is a good product. Lots of hits. Get the box topper out of the way first, guys. Hey, what's up, TC? Box topper, guys. Nice patch. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. 33 out of 50. Nice big jumbo patch. Get the camera to focus here. There it goes. It's 33 out of 50. Nice big jumbo patch. Aaron Murray. Chiefs strike out of the gate. Nice patch. Here we go, guys. Try and make sure I just get the base out of the way here first. All right, we got a Kelvin Benjamin rookie. Kelvin Benjamin rookie. Storm Johnson. Jaguars, Storm Johnson. Pierre Desir. And first hit coming up here, guys. It's a Bishop Sankey. Bishop Sankey. Bishop Sankey. Patch autograph there. Jersey autograph. 4 out of 25. 4 out of 25 there, guys. Nice Bishop Sankey. Titans. And then your next hit, Jarvis Landry. Nice patch on the bottom there. Very nice patch on the bottom. Jarvis Landry. Dolphins. Here we go. Troy Nicholas, rookie. Arizona. Aaron Colvin, rookie. Jaguars. Garoppolo, rookie. First hit. Devontae Adams is your first hit. Followed by Blake Bortles. Put the Blake Bortles down. Devontae Adams. Rookie autograph. Packers. Devontae Adams. Nice card. And we have a Blake Bortles here. Nice 3-color patch on the bottom. Nice looking card. Dual jersey with a nice patch. Blake Bortles, nice hit for the Jags. Bortles, Jaguars. Here we go. Jeff Janis, rookie, Green Bay. Clowney, rookie, Texans. Watkins, rookie, Sammy. That's numbered 96 out of 99. Sammy Watkins, first hit. Dree Archer. Dree Archer, first hit, followed by an Aaron Murray hit as well. Here's the Dree Archer. Dree Archer autograph rookie. Steelers. Steelers, Dree Archer. And an Aaron Murray, 48 out of 50. Another nice, two nice patches. Two nice patches. 48 out of 50 there on the bottom left. Nice card. Pack 2. Give me 1 second, Gary. I'll go right back to that real quick. Chiefs. Aaron Murray there. Pack 2 would have been Devontae Adams, rookie auto, and a Jarvis Landry. Dual jersey with nice patch on the bottom there. Jarvis Landry. That would have been pack 2, Gary. If you need anything else, just let me know. Pack 4 here. Antone Exum, rookie. Derek Carr, rookie. Robert Huron, rookie. And your first hit, David Fales. I'll put the other hit down there. David Fales, rookie auto for the Bears. Bears on the board. Next hit, Devonta Freeman, nice 3-color patch on the bottom. Falcons. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons, nice 3-color patch. Falcons. We got a redemption in here, guys. There is a redemption in this pack. Craig Loston, rookie. Jags. Craig Loston. Arthur Lynch, rookie. Dolphins. Taylor Lewan, rookie for the Titans. And we have a redemption. Here it comes. Trey Mason, autograph, rookie relic. Trey Mason for the Rams. Rams getting on the board with a Trey Mason. And your next hit, D'Anthony Thomas. There's the back of the Trey Mason there, guys. D'Anthony Thomas, nice 3-color patch on the bottom. Chiefs. D'Anthony Thomas for the Chiefs. Trey Mason redemption. Last pack of the box, guys. Last pack of the first box. Yeah, KC is killing it. It's KC, hot KC box. Here we go. Brandon Cooks, rookie. Damian Williams, rookie. Charles Sims, rookie. 14 out of 25. Charles Sims, rookie. And your first hit, Monty Ball. Monty Ball. Little veteran auto there. 14 out of 99. Monty Ball. 14 out of 99 there, guys. Monty Ball. Nice looking card. Broncos. And the last hit, Derek Carr. Just a couple black jerseys there. Black swatches, if you want to call them that. Derek Carr, rookie dual swatch. Raiders getting the last hit there. And an empty box, guys. All right, box 1 down. Not bad. Nice product with a lot of hits. Here we go. Second box, guys. All right, let's do the box topper. Oh, wow. This is a sweet-looking patch. Seahawks, Paul Richardson. Look at that patch. 60 out of 75. How about that patch? Is that gorgeous or what? Paul Richardson, Seahawks, box topper, 60 out of 75. What a patch. Real nice. Seahawks, real nice. Nice hit. All right, guys. First pack. Let's get to it. Sammy Watkins, rookie. Sammy Watkins, rookie. Eric Ebron, rookie. Lions. Tom Savage, rookie, 44 to 99. 44 to 99 there. First hit. Shaquille Evans. Shaquille Evans there with the first hit, guys. For the Jets. Rookie autograph. Shaquille Evans. Jets. And next hit. Terrence West for the Brownies. Terrence West. Patch on the bottom looks like it has a little bit of coloring in that white there. It's, if you can see that, there's like a little bit of an off color there. And Terrence West, Browns. Next pack. Logan Thomas, rookie. Logan Thomas. Cody Lattimore, rookie. Cody Lattimore, rookie. Ryan Grant, Redskins, rookie. And first hit. Ha-ha, Clinton Dix. Ha-ha, Clinton Dix, rookie auto. Packers. Ha-ha, Clinton Dix, Packers. Next hit. Jason Morrow for the Jets. Jason Morrow, the Jets. Green swatch and a white swatch. Jason Morrow. Next pack. Jarvis Landry, rookie. Jarvis Landry, rookie. Shaquille Evans, rookie. Shaquille Evans. Jordan Lynch, rookie. And we have another redemption, guys. Redemption, your hit. DeAnthony Thomas, autograph rookie relic gold refractor of DeAnthony Thomas. Chiefs. DeAnthony Thomas for the Chiefs. And last hit, Andre Williams for the Giants. Nice patch on the bottom. Andre Williams for the Giants. Nice patch. Andre Williams. Giants. Next pack. Bishop Sankey, rookie. Bishop Sankey, rookie. Mike Davis, rookie for the Raiders. Mike Davis. Aaron Murray, rookie. First hit, guys. Marcus Lee. Marcus Lee. 15 out of 50. Marcus Lee. 15 out of 50. Jaguars. Marcus Lee. Next hit. It's a double Jaguar pack. Allen Robinson. Nice three-color patch on the bottom. Allen Robinson. Dual swatch. Three-color patch on the bottom. Very nice. Jaguars getting two on the board there. Pack 5. Marquise Denard, rookie. Coney Ely, rookie. Anthony Barr, rookie. First hit coming at you. Allen Robinson for the Jags. Jersey autograph, Allen Robinson. That's 3 straight hits for the Jags. Allen Robinson. White swatch with an autograph, rookie. Nice card. And your last hit of that pack, Clowney. Nice patch on the top. Real nice 3-color patch on the top. That's 16 out of 50 there, guys. Bottom left. Real nice looking card. Clowney. Texans getting on the board there. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Good luck, everyone. Lewis Nix, rookie. Texans, Lewis Nix. Marcus Lee, rookie. Brandon Coleman, rookie. You're in your first hit of the last pack. Greg Robinson. Greg Robinson, rookie autograph. Greg Robinson. Rams. Last hit of the break. Last hit. Very nice. Kelvin Benjamin, 3-color patch on the bottom. Very nice for the Panthers. Very nice looking card. Kelvin Benjamin, rookie dual swatch, 3-color patch on the bottom. I'll do a hit recap here, guys. Kelvin Benjamin. Greg Robinson, rookie autograph for the Rams. Clowney, nice 3-color patch on the top, 16 out of 50. Texans. Allen Robinson, jersey, rookie autograph. Jaguars. Allen Robinson, nice patch on the bottom, dual swatch. Jaguars. Marcus Lee, rookie autograph, 15 out of 50. Jaguars. Andre Williams, nice patch on the bottom, dual swatch. Giants. Jason Morrow, dual swatch. Jets. Clinton Dix, rookie autograph. Packers. Terrence West, dual swatch. Browns. Shaquille Evans, rookie autograph. Jets. Very nice patch. Paul Richardson, 60 out of 75. Seahawks. Derek Carr, dual swatch. Raiders, rookie. Monty Ball, 14 out of 99. Monty Ball. Broncos. Anthony Thomas, 3-color patch on the bottom. Dual swatch. Rookie. Devontae Freeman, nice 3-color patch on the bottom. Falcons. David Fales for the Bears, rookie autograph. Jarvis Landry, nice patch on the bottom, dual swatch, rookie. Devontae Adams, rookie autograph. Green Bay. Aaron Murray, 48 out of 50. Nice swatch. Both patches, nice. Very nice card. Dree Archer for the Steelers, rookie autograph. Dree Archer. Blake Bortles, 3-color patch on the bottom. Very nice card. Dual swatch. Bishop Sankey, rookie autograph. 4 out of 25. Very nice card. Titans. Aaron Murray, nice big jumbo 3-color patch. 33 out of 50. Box topper. 33 out of 50. And 2 redemptions, guys. DeAnthony Thomas, autograph rookie gold refractor for the Chiefs. DeAnthony Thomas. And Trey Mason, autograph rookie relic for the Rams, guys. I just want to thank everyone for breaking. Dustin's coming right up immediately right now. He's coming right up, guys, at 9:30. And we also are doing a 5-box 2014 Supreme break immediately following that. And there's also another break at 11. So we got a lot going on tonight, guys. That's the empty box there. I want to thank everyone for breaking. And I'll be back. Make sure you check out the website, cardboardhobby.com, and follow us on Twitter at Cardboard Hobby. Thanks a lot, guys. If you have any questions, we'll be here all night.